How to use Wix to resize images to use on Wix website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to set up a image and also resize it within your Wix editor. So we're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now what we're going to do next is going to be pretty much simple. We are going to head over the home or the setup page. You click on edit site or design site, open up the website just like that, and boom. Now basically here, this is our website. It is going to be on the editing or the preview mode. I'm going to be back within the editor. So please do not mind the background music. It was for an experiment within the website. Now, back to the subject. What is the purpose of having the image edited within the Wix editor? Basically, we're going to make sure that it is going to be live view of the image within our Wix website. So that means when you're going to be right there, I'm going to give an example of this image. When you click on it and click on edit image, it is going to show you the live reaction of it. What can we gain from the Wix editor here? Basically, we can crop and expand the image with AI, expansion with AI. You can go ahead and extend it. For the cropping, you can go ahead and have the free cropping, as you can see, like this, like that. We can have the original cropping and also cropping ratios for vertical, horizontal, and also square screens. You can set up the orientation to a portrait or landscape, and also you can set up the width and the height manually. You can also upscale an image only if the image are up to let's say 2000, or let's say less than 2000, for example 1008. You can go ahead and upscale the image just by doing that. You can rotate the image right, left, flip horizontally, vertically, whatever you're going to save it. It is going to reformat that image, make it a little bit lighter, and also it is going to be controlling the image as much as you want. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.